Hey everyone, I'm Dave with Beastmade Reviews, of course a channel dedicated to reviewing quality at different price points. Now, everyone has been sick before, and recently a company reached out to me asking me if I would review their products. That company is Jase Medical, and I'll talk about this in just a second. Jase Medical makes emergency antibiotics and medicine. You can buy directly from them. They have a doctor on staff that approves the prescriptions, and you can get this nice travel case full of antibiotics just in case you need it. There's lots of different reasons why you would need some just on hand. Maybe you're traveling across the world. Maybe you're going camping. Maybe you live in a remote area. Maybe there's a pandemic. Maybe you just want some just in case for an emergency's sake. I think this is a great thing to have. And so today I wanted to talk about that. As luck would have it, I'm planning on going on a vacation pretty soon. And this is actually a really handy thing to have just in case. Now this is a sponsored video, so it's not necessarily a review per se, but it's more of a showcase. Now I also couldn't really take these since they're antibiotics. I can't just take them to see how effective they are. So because it's medicine, I'm just going to take their word for it like I would any other pharmacy out there. I'll have a link down below to Jase. That is an affiliate link. Anything you buy from that link will support the channel. Always appreciate it when you do that, but definitely check out Jase down below. I think you'll really be pleased with this. With all that said, let's go ahead and get to the review, show you what's inside the bag, show you what they offer, and all that's included. I am not a qualified doctor, nurse, physician, health expert of any kind, so this video is not medical advice. If you have any questions, consult with your doctor, consult with a physician. But as for me, I think it's really important to have emergency medical supplies just in case of any kind of disaster or emergency in which I would need antibiotics right away. I think it's important to be prepared for a variety of situations that you might encounter. Many of us already prepare for accidents with insurance, or maybe have extra food for any natural disasters, and having an emergency supply of antibiotics, I think, is a critical component of your preparedness. Now, Jase Medical was founded by physician Sean Rowland, a board-certified family physician, and he's assisted by a team of highly qualified medical experts and business leaders for Jase Medical. I love this kit from Jase. It has a few different types of antibiotics: metronidazole, azithromycin, amoxicillin, ciprofloxacin, doxycycline, and it comes in a bright, convenient carrying case. And if you're out and about and you need the medicine right away, they provide an emergency antibiotic guide in the bag itself that has instructions for a number of different situations you might encounter, like bites, pneumonia, sinusitis, traveler's diarrhea, urinary tract infections, skin infections, tetanus, even anthrax. And that's just to name a few. On their website, they have a pricing guide for what they provide. The kit from Jase is $259 USD, and they list all the medications on their website with certain prices that certain stores might charge for each medication. And in each case, all the prices are almost 3 times as much as the price that Jase has. Each kit is for one adult, so if you have multiple people in your household, you might want to get a few different kits. The bottles are very plain and simple, but they're clearly marked with your name on the front, with the medication, and with how many tablets per day that you need to take. So I like that they have a kind of redundancy here for instructions. They have the instructions on the bottle, they have the instructions in the guide, and of course you can always talk to a physician as well. Another question you might ask is, how long does this last? What is the expiration on these? And they answer this on their website by saying that the FDA requires pharmacies to put an expiration date of 1 year on prescriptions, but most antibiotics come with an expiration between 2 and 3 years from the date of manufacturer. They say that under proper storage conditions, the expiration dates can be extended for a minimum of an additional 5 years, and studies have also shown that 90% retained potency after as many as 20 years. So it's safe to say you won't have to be buying these every year. You can store these in a cool environment and keep them for many, many years. Now at this time, Jase only provides one kit. You can't get any specific antibiotic for any other reason. You have to buy the whole kit all at once. The price on this is $259, and like I said, I know that's not inexpensive, but that's way less in comparison to what you would purchase at Target, Walmart, or Walgreens. These are the same antibiotics that you would get, but they're just a generic brand. In any case, I really love what Jase Medical is doing. This really opened my eyes to seeing a hole that I didn't know that I had in my preparedness for my family. maybe you should consider Jase Medical and buying some emergency antibiotics, just in case. I know I personally will be buying more. Again, not medical advice, just my opinion, but definitely check out Jase Medical. I think you'll be really happy with what they offer for all your preparedness needs. Definitely check them out. So that's all I have. What do you think? I really recommend this. I think this is really well worth it. And I'm not just saying that. I think this is a fantastic product. You can get really easily. It's a very handy form factor. And I think everyone should have some of this just in case. Highly recommend it. Definitely go check out the links down below. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Love you for it. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with Beast Made Reviews. Bye.